Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the beginning of my new, I guess, series you would call for Halloween week. It's also my birthday, October 25th, so I am 26 today. And what I'm going to be doing every day this week up until Halloween, I'm going to be posting a new Halloween look video. I have never done this before. I've never ever used any type of Halloween makeup. First time using fake blood, all this stuff. I am no makeup artist. I am no graphic artist person. So these are going to be very beginner, easy stuff. Again, like I said, no expert. This is not perfect. But yeah, today's look is just like a neon skull, as you would say, with a little bit of like purge into it. I actually had a picture that I went off of, and this picture, hers is pink. I felt like doing purple, but yeah, that is what we got. So if you'd like to see how I did this video, then just keep watching, or see how I did this look, not this video. Both, I guess. So yeah, just keep watching. All right guys, so this is what we are doing for today's look. It's like this pink neon skull. Got some blood and stuff going on. I'm actually gonna do it in purple though. And then she also has like some jewels in her eyes as well. So I'm gonna do my face, my brows, and then we'll just get into it. Going in with my Ice Cream Dream palette from Glamlight, picking up the shade Honey Lavender, and we are going to use that to make this pastel skull. Alright guys, just reminding you, I'm not a makeup expert. I don't really know what I'm doing, so just bear with me on this. It is by no means going to be perfect at all. We have got the top of the skull part finished. Now we're going to go in with the X's over the eyes. I'm going to do it on this eye and then move right to the next one. Now that we've got both eyes done, we're just going to do a little nose piece. Moving on to the mouth part of the skull. This part was not perfect at all. Actually, I don't even think it was even, but you know, what can I say? I'm not an expert. Here I am just adding some X's to match the eyes. I'm going to do 2 on this side and then move on to the other side. And we're just going to do the exact same thing over on this side. Now I'm just going to add 3 lines down my mouth. Going in with the Glam Vice Retro Liners in Skate Date, we're going to go ahead, pick it up on this little detailed brush, take a deep breath, wish for the best. And y'all can go ahead and admire my lovely office mirror. I was covering up my Jeffree Star logo. Alright, I totally messed up right here and made that line super thick, so just ignore it. I think this was probably the hardest part, trying to make it even and not go outside the purple eyeshadow that I placed beforehand. Alright, I do mess up on this eye with one of the lines. I do go back and fix it, I think, at the end. And then I messed up on a line on this eye as well. Again, like I said, you guys, I am not a professional. I'm not perfect. So yeah, don't come for me. I'm now going in with some lash glue, and I'm going to use that to put on the jewels. I've also never done this before. Thankfully, it was pretty easy. We're just doing 3 on each eye. Adding a light purple liner, and then I went in with some purple mascara I got off of Amazon. That was honestly just trash. I should have just stuck with black, but whatever. Here's my face realizing that this is not that great. I just grabbed one of my husband's old white t-shirts. He has like 50, and I just cut it up because I don't have any crappy white t-shirts. Now we're just putting this mess of a hair into some pigtails. Alright guys, going in with the fake blood. Again, like I said, this is my first time ever using fake blood. I did end up putting some on my face as well. The girl in the picture didn't have any on her face, but I thought maybe I could put some on my face to cover up the fact that this is not the best. I will throw the picture up on the screen again just to remind you guys what we were trying to go for and what we achieved. And here we have the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching.